here today with Dr. Broutin, Olivier Broutin at Smileology in Niceville, Florida. And we did a double arch, C2F. Doc, what was your experience today with it being here, doing the new system? I know you've done many cases before. You're really proficient with it. You've got it down. I definitely think the system works great in your hands. What was your take today, just with?
Well, I think the biggest take is to have you in here as a, I would consider you as an experienced dentist, assistant, and lab technician. I mean, you're encompassing all of it. So, getting all these little pearls of, things we can be more efficient with. But a C2F is nice. We certainly have better occlusion, very small holes. That was really cool. I really enjoyed that. I think, I can say for sure we're going to do that as our protocol from now. So
Excellent.
It was really good.
Excellent. We just want to tell you we appreciate your business as always. What did you think of the procedure being that you've done it?
That it was more not customized to the patient, but it's like you can tell the fit is going to be like a little bit better because of the additional steps that we took, and I think the the conversion was a nice all around.
With the stellar, yeah.
It was nice. Yeah, it was stellar for
Yes.
sure.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Having less flattening of the screw holes, right?
Right.
Right.
Less grinding of that whole area.
Right.
It was really nice.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, as I said, we appreciate your business and thank you for having us. Okay.
Thanks for telling us your secrets.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure to have you, Thomas.
Awesome.
You're
Thanks
always
a lot.
welcome.